Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the application of data mining in fraud detection. Data mining refers to extracting or mining knowledge from large amounts of data. There are a number of data mining techniques such as clustering, neural networks, regression, and multiple predictive models. In general, data mining techniques can be classified into two categories according to the type of machine learning techniques as supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning for fraud detection. All the available records are classified as fraudulent and non-fraudulent. Then machines are trained to identify records according to this classification. However, these methods are only capable of identifying frauds that has already occurred and about which the system has been trained. While unsupervised learning for fraud detection only identifies the likelihood of some records to be more fraudulent than others without statistical analysis assurance. Techniques used to analyze and detect fraud patterns are classification, clustering, regression, and association rule. Swap card frauds can be classified into conventional card frauds, commercial frauds, and internet frauds. The model for detecting frauds is different from each other, and these models are mostly based on statistics. Next, information with time consideration is required to detect fraud activities so that we can specify what action is done by user on which time. Bank and other business fields have large amount of database, so sometimes it's difficult to extract fraudulent data from it. Clustering technique is used to make groups of data with the same behaviors. This technique detects the cluster of odd behaviors. And the suspicious data detection from large database can be done through Bayesian classification, and also we can use neural networks classification techniques. Steps to analyze and detect communication fraud. Firstly, understand the required data set. Then we need to establish relations among datasets to know the behavior of mobile users. After that, we define clusters of users according to their behavior of course by using k-mean clustering technique. We can achieve the goal by performing data mining techniques like decision tree, association rule, and neural networks. Highly redundant data variables will be removed after analyzing clustering variables. After that, we analyze the relationship among variables to detect the structure of variables. For that, we can use different statistical analysis software such as SAS. In conclusion, fraud remains a challenge for business and organizations in many fields. Data mining is an effective method for detecting various types of fraud.